Good morning, students. So today we are going to discuss about BMC. Okay, so BMC stands for Business Model Canvas. Like you know that you are all doing projects now, right? So now we are going to integrate this project to an YCombinator company. So YCombinator is basically a startup directory in which we have so many startup companies there. So you can integrate your project into that, which startup company is doing that project. For example, which project you are doing?
Cowlar, which is based on image classification of cattle and buffalo.
Okay. So in that you have an equivalent company in YCombinator called Cowdar. Okay. So that today we are going to discuss about the 9 key points of business model canvas, like how their customer channels, customer segmentation, and how their revenue streams, and what are their key activities, key resources, and who are their key stakeholders. Okay. So let's start the discussion.
Myself, my name is Julia Anderson, and I am going to talk about customer segmentation. So our main customers are farmers and livestock farm owners, veterinary hospital and clinics, and the government agriculture department and main organization which involved in cattle and buffalo management.
So myself Gayatri, now I am going to tell about the value proposition. Accurate AI based cattle and buffalo classification reduces identification errors, saves time and labor, improves livestock management. These are the value proposition of this.
Myself Sven, I am talk about channels, mobile application, web applications, direct sales or demo, government scheme and partner platform.
Okay, so these are the customer channels in which you are going to communicate with the customers. Like what did you say? Like what are they?
Mobile application, web applications,
Okay.
partner platform, government scheme and direct sales or demo.
So for customer relationship, we provide to maintain simple and supportive relationship by we basically provide a app or web application for the two users. It's just a technique like upload the image and get the result. We occasionally update day by day by the feedback which users given.
Myself, Viva1, I am going to tell about revenue stream, which include subscription fees, licensing, development, custom development fees, support and management charges. Which key resources include ML models, data set, development side, and cloud servers.
So myself, V. Krishna Raja. Here we are going to see about the key partners of this project, about the key activities involved in our system. There are 3 activities involved here, mainly data labeling, because this project is based on the identification of cattle and cows. Before that, we need a good data set to train the model. So we need many data labelings like images from many other universities and veterinary hospitals. It helps to train the data labeling. And the second key activity is data manipulating. After data collecting, we need to manipulate the data and train the model, which gives the exact result to the farmers and the users which use the system. At last, model training. Accurate model should be here presented at this system because it depends on the cattle, which identify the cattle and cow and differentiate the diseases and says the exact result. To get the exact result, we need to train our model correctly.
So I'm Mahalakshmi. I'm here to say about the key partnership of RAGA. The first one is agriculture institutions, for example, Indian Council Agriculture Research, where they provide the livestock data sets and the validation supports and their breed expertises. And the next one is veterinary organizations. For example, let's take about the National Dairy Development Board, where they verify the veterinary organization. For example, the National Council of the Development Board, where they verify the wild. The next one is the veterinary organization. For example, the National Dairy Development Board, where they verify the validation accuracy and also they build the trust within the farmers. The last one is the cloud providers. For example, the Amazon Web Servers, where they host the AI-based web and application which is built using the frameworks, and they also provide the computing scalable powers.
And let's see the cost structure of our system. Like for this project, we need to invest in many platforms. Like we need to spend our money on the universities and veterinary doctors and some milk societies. The main investment should be present on the AWS because all the images and some other data has been stored in the AWS system, and it costs more of us. And then the person who intermediate between the farmers and our product, and they should be also get paid for it. And then success is where we spend the money. First we need to First, we need to develop on the model training because it costs more for the. And last, we need to see about the maintenance and the marketing cost. After the product launch, we need to maintain, fix the errors, and debug. It costs for it also. And for marketing, we need to reach our product in the global level. We need to encourage many users into our product. Our product must be reached widely. So for the maintenance and marketing.